Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chris Berlin. If you're new here, welcome. You can call me Cheese for short. I do variety videos. If you're curious, go ahead and check my channel. Anyways, I'm gonna be unboxing the ocean minerals and joint connection. So if you're curious, it only took 4 days to arrive. That's amazing. So since they texted me that it's on its way, and it's also yesterday, I think, or a day before that, they texted me that I had to pay. There's a payment required for import or duty tax. So, but I don't want to complain as long as this arrived the soonest, the better. And this came from the Philippines to Canada. So, oh, I also forgot that I also ordered soap as well. So let's get started. So each product got its own paper here that it says FDA approved or Food and Drug Administration approved, and that's really awesome. It comes with a gift bag, which is super cute. Yay! First, I have this ocean minerals, and it contains full spectrum of minerals that includes macro and micro elements. The best part of this ocean minerals, it has more than 120 minerals. Our body utilizes over 80 minerals for maximum function. So even if we eat the healthiest foods, we are not getting all the minerals we need. So if you have mineral malnutrition or lack of minerals, you will have energy loss, premature aging, diminished senses, degenerative diseases like osteoporosis, heart disease, and cancer. Here are the usage of ocean minerals. This is for people with hypertension or high blood pressure, people debilitated by osteoporosis and arthritis, people with heart disease, people with diabetes, those suffering from mental health disorders such as ADHD and depression. This is also safe for children from 4 years old and above, for also post-operative recuperation and degenerative diseases. Here are the benefits: proper hypertension, problem-solving ability, endocrinal activity, that's your endocrine system. That includes your hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, testis, and ovary. Cell fluid levels, nerve and muscle function. It's also an immune booster. We all need that. Healthy skin, promotes bone health. And according to my research, it's also good for kidney stones. And I will put all the information in the description box below. Anyways, the more your body is acidic, the more it's prone for illnesses and diseases. Okay, so let's proceed to the next. I have this joint connection. Recently, I have this intense back pain, and it's been 11 months already since after I deliver my baby. And even before that, I have minor aches and pains in my back and on my shoulders, and I can't wait to try this out. And it's good for arthritis as well. And what's good about this is because it rebuilds and repair damaged cartilage and helps relieve pain and swelling. I will try this out for a few days and let you know what I feel. And next I have this Glutamilk soap, and I can't wait to try it as well. They also give you a receipt to tell you how many you have. Now I'm going to test the water using the pH test solution. You can see this is distilled water and this is tap water. We usually drink distilled water, and our tap water is drinkable here, but I just don't like the taste, and it's just weird to drink in a faucet. That's just me. Okay, so let's start the testing. Okay, so first we're gonna drop it off without the name. So far, distilled water is acidic, it's yellow. And the tap water is alkaline so far. As you can see here, the more it's red, orange, yellow, they are all acidic. Or from 0 to 6.9, that's acidic. The 7.0 is the neutral. It's nor acidic nor alkaline. And from 7.1 to 14, that's alkaline. That's the darkest green to blue to purple and to dark purple. That's the alkaline. So, as you can see, distilled and tap water. So let's try to put the minerals in it, and probably just 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's see. Let's drop this already with the ocean minerals. Oh my god! What the heck? It blows my mind! And this one is green. And with the ocean minerals, the tap water turned to, let's see, turn to blue a little bit. Oh no. New blue, kind of greenish. Blue with the ocean minerals and kind of greenish. It turned your water to alkaline. My goodness. I didn't have a spring water bottle, now I have, so let's test it. So it really depends on the brand, but I will just use this brand. So far, it's blue and it's not green or yellow. So it's alkaline. It really depends on the brand. Some actually it's acidic. Now let's drop ocean minerals in here. Now let's drop and test the pH. Now when you compare, it seems like the one with no ocean minerals is a little bit blue-green, but with the ocean minerals, it's blue, which means it's more alkaline. So as you can see here, seems like the distilled water with ocean minerals got the color blue. It's kind of close to 9, kind of 8.9 something. And for the tap water, it's kind of slightly blue and a little bit green. It kind of like close to 8. And the spring water is in a blue side. It seems like in the middle of 8 or 9, kind of 8.5. But not too bad. It all turn your water into alkaline. And yes, love it. I recommend you try to test your water as well, and it really all depends. So you know if your water is acidic or not. So I bought this pitcher, and you put the water inside here, and it turns your water to alkaline. But it's just here at home. But this one, you can bring it anywhere, put it in your purse if you buy some water, or even in a water bottle, or it's very convenient. You just and it turns to alkaline. Now let's proceed to the joint connection. It looks like a big tea bag, and it smells so good. It's a fruit punch flavor, and it has 5 sachets inside. I will try this for a week and see the result. Now let's go ahead to Glutamilk soap. It looks like this, pure white, and I can't really smell it because of the plastic, so it's sealed very good. So let's open it and smell it. Oh, smells so good. I want to eat it. I forgot to show you how I put it in. I will do it again tomorrow, but now let's taste it. It's sour but delicious, and it smells so good too. So you have to drink it all in 60 seconds. We have to put 6 to 8 ounces of water, and I just put 6 ounces.
Hello everyone, it's review time. Let me start with the joint connection. Right now I'm just really excited to share it to you. It's my 5th day trying it, both joint connection, ocean minerals, and every other day for the Glutamilk soap. So let me start with the joint connection. So I made sure to write it down so I know really what I feel each day. So let me start with the joint connection. So the first day I took 1 sachet after dinner, and the next day I still have pain and stiffness. It's still there, but not too bad compared before. But usually I still have pain, depends on what I do. I have highs and lows, but never felt no pain. It's still there. So it's that's the second day. I changed it by taking it before sleep because they said you heal when you are sleeping. So, and the third day, I still have pain, I still have stiffness, I don't feel good. So, I kept taking it before sleep. And then the fourth day, I woke up with still pain, but a little less and a little stiffness, but it's still there. So I still take it, I keep going, I take it before sleep, and then the fifth day, which is today, I have no pain. I'm gonna cry, but in a good way that there's no pain. Because usually the whole 11 months I have pain. But I still have a little stiffness in it. But I'm happy. Like, I never felt that no pain feel. But I will continue to observe and continue to take it. And I will let you know, maybe on the description box, I will add some more reviews there. But before trying this out, I made sure to, I took my blood work done, blood test, so that I know after I take this, and I will take another blood test to see and compare them both, if what's going on. But so far, this joint connection is working. I'm really happy I found this product. And then let's continue. So about the ocean minerals, I've been taking this and drop this in my water every time I drink a glass of water. I'm not that person that loves to drink water, but 6 ounces is perfect for me, not too much. So that I just put probably 5 drops in the water. It tastes really minerally, which I don't really like, but I want to be healthy, so I have to drink it. I took this and then seemed like makes me sleep really good, and after that you'll be shocked, you have energy. Normally I get so tired easily, but seem like now taking that, it seems gives me more energy. Just doesn't make me really tired by the end of the day. But it just makes me sleepy early at night that I really want to go to bed, but sometimes I push it not to sleep. But this one makes me sleep because when we sleep, it heals our body. So by the next day, we're super energized and ready to go and be a mother. I might be super acidic, that I have a lot going on in my body. So and I don't know really exact what kind of mineral that is lacking in my body. So I just take this one. They have all minimal contents of all the minerals, so you don't have to worry. Yes, I love it. I love the ocean minerals and joint connection. I'm really happy I found those. Third one is the Glutamilk soap. So when I tried it the first time, so I made sure I didn't show it, but you can slice a small piece and use it. So I use it on my face, I use it on my skin. So the first time I put it on, like while I was in the shower, I put it on and it's so soft. It just glides, it smells good. I put it on my face, but the first impression is your face makes really tight, reduce wrinkles, makes it tight, and makes it gives you rosy cheeks and then a little glowing. That's what I felt. So on the skin, it makes so clean right after the bath. You kind of like, oh, it's like you felt it's clean. But I've been using that every other day. So far, so good. I love it. But overall, I love everything. If you have any questions, please leave it in comments down below, or you can privately message me on Facebook as well. I will link it down below. And all these 3 products, I will also link it in the description box below as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!